Sharon.
And I'm Ben. Welcome back to Speak English Daily.
Today we're talking about one of the most embarrassing mistakes I have ever made with an English idiom.
Oh, this is going to be good. I've been waiting to tell this story.
No. I'm telling an idiom is let the cat out of the bag.
Classic. So Sharon, before you traumatize yourself with this memory, why don't we explain what this idiom actually means?
Right. So let the cat out of the bag means to reveal a secret, usually by accident. Like when you tell someone something you weren't supposed to tell them.
Exactly. If your friend is planning a surprise party and you accidentally mention it, you let the cat out of the bag.
But here's the thing. When I first learned this phrase, I thought it meant something totally different.
You know where this crazy phrase even comes from?
Actually, yes, and it's kind of wild. Let me take you back, way back. Picture this. Europe, hundreds of years ago. You're at a crowded marketplace, and you want to buy a piglet. Piglets were valuable, good for farming, good for food, so merchants would put them in bags to make them easier to carry home.
But some dishonest merchants had a sneaky trick.
They'd show you the piglet, but then secretly switch it with a cat! Cats were basically worthless back then.
And when you got home and opened the bag, surprise! You've been scammed!
So when someone says, let the cat out of the bag, they revealed the truth.
The secret scam was exposed!
So that's the legendary origin story. Whether it's totally true or not, historians debate it, but it's a great story.
It is a great story! And it makes sense, right? The secret comes out. The truth is revealed.
So knowing all of that, how did you mess this up?
And Jessica told a few of us about it, but she was like, don't tell anyone. It's a complete surprise.
And, standard surprise party rules.
So I'm in the break room one day, and my other coworker Mike is there, and he says,
Hey, Sharon, what should we get the boss for his birthday?
and in that moment, my brain went, well, actually, don't worry about it. Jessica's planning something.
Oh, yeah. What is it?
Well, I'm not supposed to say, but we need to let the cat out of the bag.
What?
Yeah, we should let the cat out of the bag. Tell him about the party.
Wait, you want to ruin the surprise party?
Exactly. Let the cat out of the bag.
Sharon, you told him to reveal the secret.
I know. I literally thought let the cat out of the bag meant like free the cat, let it out, share the good news.
You thought it meant the opposite.
I thought it was like liberating information, setting the truth free in a good way.
Okay. So what happened next?
So Mike just stares at me like I've lost my mind, and he goes, Sharon, are you feeling okay? And I'm like, yeah, why? And he says, because you just said we should ruin Jessica's surprise party. That's when it hit me. Oh, no. In that moment, I realized I had been using this idiom wrong for months.
I had to do some serious damage control. Jessica, I need to talk to you.
What's wrong?
I may have almost ruined your surprise party.
But I didn't. Mike doesn't understand idioms either, so he just thought I was having a stroke. Long story, the party is still a secret, but I owe you coffee for the rest of the year. So, the moral of the story is, learn your idioms, people.
And here's your quick memory trick. Think of that medieval marketplace. When the cat comes out of the bag, the secret is revealed.
Exactly. The secret's out. The truth is exposed. That's letting the cat out of the bag.
And Sharon learned this the hard way, so you don't have to.
Thanks, Ben.
Anytime. Okay, everyone, let's recap the key points.
Number 1, let the cat out of the bag means to reveal a secret.
Number 2, It probably comes from medieval marketplace scams, or at least that's the story.
Number 3, use it when someone accidentally reveals information they shouldn't have.
And number 4, don't use it like Sharon did and tell people the real secrets on purpose.
Yes, learn from my mistakes.
All right, everyone, that's it for today's episode.
If you've ever made an embarrassing idiom mistake, drop it in the comments below. We want to hear your stories.
And if this video helped you understand this idiom better, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more English lessons. Thanks for watching! Keep speaking English daily together!